Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back and I am so glad to see you back. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. I do not take it for granted. I read every last comment and I try to click on it, and sometimes I'll leave a comment. So thank you guys. If you're watching this channel for the first time and you like the content, make sure you subscribe. And also guys, share this video with your family and your friends. Also, if you're in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the instructional, step-by-step instructional. Watch till the end and we can dance together, okay? So, just as a reminder, I want to give a tip to the instructors. So this is an easy peasy line dance, right? And I was in class last night. I had a few newbies to come in. So you know how you got your class rolling, you got your regulars, and then you get your newbies, right? So what I do is I don't stop my class. I keep it going. But I've created an easy peasy playlist just for those beginners. What do I mean by that? Those line dances that are so simple, they can pick up on the floor by you cueing, by you going standing by them, and you're keeping the class moving. Your seasoned line dancers, the one that's been coming to class on a regular basis, they already know the dance. And that's your opportunity that you can keep the class moving and you can spend a little one-on-one time with your beginners, those ones that are coming in the class for the first time. You can easily go stand by them and cue the dance and they can pick it up. You don't really have to stop, okay? So when I get new people, I don't stop my class at all. I keep it moving. I tell them that they're going to pick it up on the floor, and it's an opportunity playing those simple line dances for them to start learning terminology. Now, this is what I do with my playlist. I play two seasoned line dances, the one that typically that they've been doing in the class, but my beginners, my new people can't pick it up. So I play two of those, then I go to my playlist with the easy peasy line dance. I play two of those and I go back and forth. Two of the seasoned line dances and two easy peasy that they can pick on the floor. That way, they might have to step on the side for those other season line dances, but not for long, okay? And I go back and forth just like that. And at the end of the class, everybody has gotten something out of the class. You've kept the class moving. Your beginners are getting something out of it. They're dancing throughout the whole hour or 2 hour or whatever, and they're slowly picking up terminology. So just a simple tip for the instructors. That's how I keep my class moving. Okay, so let's get to it. So this is one of those dances. It's called Good Good. It's real simple. It's just a 16 count, okay? I always want to keep in mind, I know I'm talking a lot, those who are just coming to my channel for the first time, I will never forget about the beginners, okay? We cannot have a line dance community, y'all, without beginners, okay? We have to continue growing and cultivate the beginners, okay? So, here we go. We're going to start at this wall. My back is going to be to you for the beginning. I'm not standing on the side. I'm standing with my back to you. So what I'm going to do is start with my weight on the left side. I'm going to do a tap out, double tap out on the right and the left. It's double and double. Then I'm going to kick forward 4 times. And this movement, beginners, is all about shifting your weight from right to the left. So my weight is on the left. I'm going to go double, double, and I'm doing it with my toes. And I'm going to kick out. Right, left, tapping forward with my toes. Right, left. Or you can go heel, 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 heel. It doesn't matter, okay? I'm doing that 4 times, alternating. From the top, 5, 6, 7 on the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my first 8 count. I'm going to step forward on my right and I'm going to turn my ankle, okay, because I'm getting ready to make a quarter turn to my right. So I do a step. So I step forward and I turn my ankle, step. So when I turn my ankle, when I tap out on my left with my left heel up, I'll automatically make that turn, okay? And I don't have to make an additional turn. So whenever you make a turn, turn that ankle, okay? It's like your flashlight, your signal light, okay? So I tapped out on my left, and then I'm gonna cross, then tap out on my right. Okay, so let's do that again. Step forward on my right, turning my ankle. Step 1, tap 2 on the left. Cross 3, tap 4. My heel is up, and then I'm gonna do a box step. Right, left, right, left. So I'm gonna do that box step to reset me to start over again. So I'm gonna cross over first, cross over. I'm gonna step back, left, right, and left. It's going to be 4 steps. 1, back 2, step 3, and 4. That's the end of the dance. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, double tap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Kick it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step turn. 1, 2, cross, 3, 4, box, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last step is on my left. This is a 4-wall dance that moves clockwise. On 8, I start that dance, that tap out again, starting the dance over. You're going to do the same dance on each wall. So again, when you make that turn, you must step forward first. So let's go to this wall right here so you can kind of see my footwork when I make that turn, okay? Starting from the top. So stand on this side, looking in this direction. 5, 6, 7, and double. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go forward and turn. 1. See how I twist my ankle? Tap 2, 3. Tap 4. Box 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're going to keep going around. It's the same thing at each wall. It's called good, good. And instructors, I know I talk a lot, but I'm just trying to, whenever I think about any tips or whatever that I can give you as an instructor, I like to share that with you, okay? So I have just a playlist, nothing but easy peasy line dances, easy peasy. Now I don't always use them because I don't always have new people in my class. If I have just my regular people, I go to my other playlist, okay? Each class I do a different playlist. But last night I had 2 people and I wanted to keep the class moving. So I went to that playlist, I played 2 songs, then I went to my other playlist and played 2 other songs for my regular attendees. Then I went just back and forth. So everybody got something out of the class and the class kept moving. I really didn't stop to teach a dance at all. I constantly just called out cueing and they were able to pick it up. And also, I took that opportunity to actually go over to the person, dance next to them, spend a little one-on-one time with them, to give them that one-on-one attention, okay? Because the other class, the other attendees, they already know the dance, okay? So I was able to spend some one-on-one time with the 2 individuals that just came to class, okay? So just a helpful tip. But I thank you for your patience. Thank you for listening. That line dance is good. I'm going to put the music and we can dance together. And I hope you still dancing for lunchtime, okay? Instead of going out and spending money, save that money, bring your lunch, and let's dance together for at least 40, 45 minutes, and then go back to your desk and eat your lunch and continue and finish off your day, okay? Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.